Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to create a reading journal using the Journal app. Just open the app and click on Create, then select Sample Journals, where you can find several useful templates. But we now need this reading journal right here. So click on it and then click on use this journal. You can add photos or you can even add new pages and write in it. Actually, you can edit it the way you prefer. And if you go back, you can see that this reading journal is here from now on, so we can easily access it anytime we want to. I hope it will be useful. Have a nice day.